Be honest, how would you feel if someone randomly picked you up in a $250,000 Lamborghini? Well, that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna surprise my lovely girlfriend at work, which has been having a very rough day. But while we wait for her lunch break, we're gonna surprise longtime friends. But step one, acquire a Lambo. Actually, let's go surprise my parents.
And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back, flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back, flow, we back to chicks to climbing. This that back in my back, flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my back in my back. Back in my back in my back flow.
Te ganaron la lotería.
¿Te imaginas, Oye, Emilio.
Sí, ten cuidado con el santo Dios. Oye, vaya. ¿Cuánto vale eso antes? 300,000 más.
Dog so wild, what I slow it. Make it rain on them, bust a band, then you go it. We was steady having it, even at our lowest. High speed road running, keep my motor going. Hey, people feel away, but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that surround you, that you grow it. They be coming right.
¿Viste? Lamborghini.
Avión.
Yeah.
¿Este es tuyo?
No. Ven para un ride.
No, pero no lo aceleres.
Okay.
Júralo.
Okay.
Back in my back, flow, we back to chicks to climbing. This that back in my back, flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back, flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my.
Así está bien, ya, no lo aceleres. Dame la vuelta ahí, mírame para atrás. Para allá, Dani, no, para allá, no quiero que estés en el tráfico. Da la vuelta ahí, baja, no. Dani, no, Dani. Me asustó.
¿Te asustó, eh?
Oh my G, hit me hard, bro. So you saw the title of the video, you saw the thumbnail. It is only possible because of Prestigious Exotic Rentals, a rental company down here in Florida. So hit them up. They got McLarens, they got Lambos, they got an M4. Do you want to pan over there? Look at that. And he's also gonna get a Urus, a Vet, Ferrari, September on there. So if you're in South Florida, I'm gonna put his Instagram right here on the screen. Help him out, go follow him. He was kind enough to lend us this for the day so we can surprise our friends, have a lot of fun. This is gonna be a really fun video. Follow him on Instagram, get him to over 1,000 subscribers. Tell him I sent you. And if you wanna come over here to Florida, rent out some of the cars, let's get it.
Look at the exhaust on this, like that's crazy.
Congrats to Brian on getting an M4. Congrats, buddy.
Thank you.
That thing's clean. But okay, well, the time has come. Crystal's on break. Keep in mind, she has absolutely no idea what I'm about to surprise her with. I forget, I'm so nervous, man. She's gonna love this. She's having such a bad day. Hey, beautiful.
What is this?
Hey, beautiful.
Hi. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say.
I'll be back in a second.
This is insane.
Lamborghini.
This is insane. Where's my seatbelt?
You're having a bad day, so I thought, I could show you what's ahead of us in our future.
Oh, really? What? This is crazy.
What do you think? She's so confused.
This is insane.
This is, we're peaking right now. We're peaking. This is like the most random thing.
The most
What did you think when you were coming out?
I just saw your head and I was like, what are you doing in there?
This is a 2021 Lamborghini Huracan Evo.
Why did you plan this?
Honey, I've planned this since 2 weeks ago.
You guys see my eyelashes? I did them myself.
Say thank you, Prestige Exotic Rentals. No, huge thank you to Prestige Exotic Rentals. That's.
Are they closed?
The place closed? What? No way.
They're closed.
No way. Who's doing it? No one does like me. I'm boyfriend of the year. Write that in the comments. Boyfriend of the year.
My car didn't want to start at the gas station.
Are you serious?
It did not want to start. I got to work almost an hour late. That is so crazy.
Huh?
That's really cool.
And the engine is back there. Oh, going back to work. Bye, honey. Have a good rest of your day at work. I love you. I feel so bad. Alright, now we're picking up Jeff. You guys have seen him previously in the videos. A really good friend of mine. Let's go for a ride, brother. It's a Huracan Evo.
Dude.
Got it for a couple hours, so I gotta give you a ride.
Dude, no way. Let's go. Are you serious?
Yeah.
This is great. My house price just went up. Yo. This is beautiful, dude. This is so nice, dude. Oh my god. I was sitting there like I'm like doing the work and I'm like, dude, Brittany sounds a little bit louder today. I was like, well, what's going on? Like, oh my god. Yo, this is insane. Yeah, this is fucking dude, this is crazy. Dude, she pulls, bro. Oh snap. Bro, she pulls more than me, bro. Damn. This is so dope, dude. Dude, it's so clean.
I know.
Like this is ridiculous.
There you go.
I remember. Yeah, that's crazy. Dude, oh my god, that is disgusting. Right now, and then I gotta go to the actual project where I'm at. Yo, let's pull up in this. Yo! Oh, snap! Dude, nah, bro. Like, I can't even process this right now.
I know.
I was like, you were like, yo, are you outside? Dude, the color, bro, is so
I love the
beautiful.
color.
Oh my god. Yo, I gotta show my mom this, bro. I gotta, dude, there's no way. And congrats on the 100K.
Thank you, thank you.
Seriously, congrats, man.
I know. Waiting for the
Super
plaque.
dope. I know, right? Next one, bro, 1 milli.
Yes,
1
sir.
milli, we gonna be here.
Back in my bag flow, again. Yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche. Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson phase, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to busy at the millies. I don't club hers, get the word if it's a city, Lord forgive me. Still have emotion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it rain on them, bust the band, then you throw it.
lot to say about this car. 630 wheel horsepower. This blue is just, you want to touch it with the camera? There you go. They can get a good touch right there. Honestly, it's raining right now. It's kind of cloudy. I'm pretty sure you saw it on some clips in this video. There's kind of like a halftime break where I talk about the car. This blue is absolutely beautiful. I just want to say Prestige Exotic Rentals. I'm not going to say it again. You guys already know where to get it. Potentially in the future, we could get other exotics, which is going to be super fun. Come over here, Brian. Come over here, Brian. This is what tells you in life that you're doing something right. Lamborghini. 0 to 60 in how long?
Probably like 2 seconds.
0 to 60 in like literally less than half a second. It's insane, bro. It does have an aftermarket exhaust. Let's show them. It's got a Rift aftermarket exhaust. I'm sorry, but this is better than a Tome. I just have to say it.
This thing is loud.
Look at the rear of that car, bro. Zoom into that. God damn, bro. Obviously, the engine is in the rear. You got this nice glass, which doesn't heat up that much. Oh, we actually have a good amount of stuff in here, right? Yeah. You got your backpack and everything? Damn, look at that. You know what's crazy? Oh my gosh, he was pointing out. Look how close this thing gets right here. It's crazy. Here we got windows. Here we got to raise and drop the car, which I've been using this a lot. ESC off. I believe it might be traction, hazards. I don't know what this is. Maybe Bluetooth. And I don't know what this is either. We also have a $2,000 cup holder.
I was gonna say we look like TikTokers.
Oh my god. I think my favorite part about this whole video and like just driving around the Lambo, it's just seeing other people enjoy it and the kids' reactions. It's so dope, bro.
Bro, it has the same interior as your car.
Same. That's what I'm saying.
Right? It's like right there. Right?
Oh.
It just got soaked. Oh, this thing sounds super nice.
Oh, that's my favorite part.
Oh my god, this thing shifts.
Right?
I gotta take my glasses, they're about to fly off. Ooh. Oh, it pops too?
Oh yeah.
Let's just keep it. Oh, that sounds so good. The dash is like beautiful. Oh, it's yeah. This thing is violent.
Wait over there.
Okay, you can wait over there.
Okay, go.
Yo! What the fuck?
What up, brother?
How you doing? Yo, that's wild. Damn. Oh my god. There really is no cup holders in this bit.
Oh, there's a $2,000 cup holder. $2,000 cup holder.
Damn, I kind of feel so humbled. I'm walking out of my fucking 2004. Bruh, I'm like so shocked.
You're so confused. You're like, what?
Yeah. Y'all broke up? Nah, she broke. I'm up. Cause me and my ex just broke up.
brother?
Damn.
Hope this made your day or
Like,
made you feel better.
Yeah, you made my year.